Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So this is going to be another wig install video, and the wig that I'm going to be installing is by the brand BLY. I had got this beautiful wig from Amazon. It's a 13x4 HD lace with some pre-plucking, and I'm so excited to show you guys me installing it and give you guys like my whole review and opinion on this wig. I'm just gonna start off by doing the ball cap method, and I'm just going to be using an alcohol swab just to clean the area before I use my Even Wonder Lace spray. And for this wig I only added 1 to 2 layers just because I wasn't going to wear it for too long, but if you are, make sure you add at least 3 to 5 layers if you want this to last a couple of days. And honestly, I don't even know why I have the cap like that over my eyes. I should have put holes in the eyes area, but oh well, because now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, dang, this is kind of making me look kind of crazy. Like and now I'm just gonna cut it to where it's gonna match my natural hairline as possible. This part for me can be a little bit tricky. I'm still learning how to like perfect it, but so far I think I did pretty good. This wig right here is the BLY HD Transparent 13x4 Lace Frontal Wig that's pre-plucked, and it has a density of 150%, and it's 24 inches, and the hair color is a natural black. I did bleach the knots, wash the hair, restrained it and everything off camera, but this is how the hair looks. And look at the lining though, it's pretty natural. It's pretty much pre-plucked a little bit, but I did have to pre-pluck it a little bit more. But I am going to be adding baby hairs just to make sure it looks a little bit more natural. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Even Wonder Lace spray just to glue the hair down. And like I said earlier, I only added 1 to 2 layers for the wig cap, so I'm just going to be doing the same thing with the actual wig. Add 1 to 2 layers since I'm not going to be wearing it for too long. Now for the sides of the wig, I always mess this part up, so I made sure that I added more spray and just make sure that the sides are secure, because literally every time I try to do the sides, they always lift up. So I'm like, okay, let me just focus on the sides more than like the front part, because I do focus on the front part a little bit too much than the actual sides. Now that everything is sprayed down, glued down, dried a little bit, I'm just going to be using an elastic and let everything melt together, and I'm gonna just have that on for about 5 to 10 minutes. And everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be linked down below for you guys. Now I'm just going to be hot combing the hair back so I can move all the little baby hairs away before I cut the lace. Once I'm done cutting the lace, I'm going to be adding some spray to the comb and just make sure that the ends of the lace is melted down even more. Then I'm going to be taking an elastic again and let that melt for about 5 minutes, and while I comb my hair. And as you can see right here, this transparent lace melted onto the skin so well. And now it's time for me to do the baby hairs. I took my wax stick and my hot comb, then I'm just gonna cut them about to my eyebrow length, and then I'm just going to curl them with this little curler that I got from Amazon. And then I'm going to be taking that spritz, which I love so much. I love using this for my baby hairs and swooping them because they literally stay and do not move. So yeah, I highly recommend that spray. I'll leave a link for it down below too. And yeah, pretty much I'm just doing my baby hairs, and I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing on the other side as well. Now it's time for me to straighten the hair, and right now I'm just fixing my middle part, and then I'm going to be going in with my wax stick and my heat protecting serum, and I'm just going to be hot combing the top of my hair again just to make sure that everything is looking flat and to make sure that it looks like it's coming from my scalp. We're trying to look natural here, okay? Look as natural with the hair as much as possible, you know? So yeah, this hot comb works so well. I love it so much. I swear, if I didn't have this hot comb, it wouldn't even look right. Like, I promise you, it would look bumpy and weird. It wouldn't, I swear, it would not look right at all. And now I'm taking my Irresistible Me straightener, and I love this straightener so much. It's so pretty. I love the aesthetic of it, and it works so good. But yeah, I love using this straightener to straighten my wigs. And I haven't tried on my natural hair yet because I don't play about my natural hair. I'm not straightening my natural hair. It's been about like, how many years? Like 4 years. No, I'm not touching my natural hair. But for wigs, I love it. It's perfect for wigs. Now for the last step, I'm going to be fixing this middle part right here because I did bleach the knots twice, which I highly regret. I should have left the bleach on longer the first time, but I'm using a waterproof mascara just to fix the roots a little bit, make them a little bit more darker. And then I'm going to be using a concealer that I use for my under eyes and just fix the middle part, make sure it looks like it's my actual scalp, and fix the wig too because, oh yeah, I filmed this part the next day because the day before that I had got a headache. I'm like, no, I'm not about to get ready and have this headache, no. And with the hot comb, I'm just bumping the front part up a little bit more so it doesn't look too flat in the front. But yeah, this is how the wig looks once I'm done with it. I love how it looks so much. I forgot to straighten the back a little bit more, but stay tuned towards the end of the video to know my final thoughts on this wig and to know if it's worth purchasing or not. So my final thoughts for this BLY wig, I wish the lace right here was more pre-plucked. I had to do some pre-plucking here myself, but it probably didn't even make a difference. I feel like if I didn't add the baby hairs, this part right here wouldn't look as pre-plucked. But other than that, like, this hair quality is really nice, and there is a little bit more of a minimal shedding. This hair is really good and pretty affordable too for it to be this type of wig. 9 out of 10 for me. But besides like the pre-plucking, the hair itself is really good quality and it's pretty long too on me. This hair is like a natural type of length. It's not like too long and it's not like too short. It's like the perfect type of natural length in my opinion. But the link for this wig and everything that I used in this video will be linked down below, so make sure you guys go check out my description. And do not forget to like this video if you guys enjoy wig install videos, and if you guys just enjoyed this video and in general. Don't forget to subscribe to join the Harmony to see more beauty, fashion, lifestyle, wig, hair, anything girly type of content from my channel. And I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.